like, you know, there's just so many different applications for that. But, you know, there's other people that are more of an expert in that arena than I am.
Wow, that is awesome. I know that you talk a lot about frequency and our nervous system.
Yeah. Want me to speak more about that?
Can you expand on that? Yeah.
So everything is energy. That's, you know, basically where it comes from. Einstein talks about this. There's, you know, we are basically vibrating cells at all times, and we are operating on a frequency, and we can basically tune into, you know, a higher frequency. I mean, it's basically like, it's not about having this sort of toxic positivity, or I've heard that before, but, you know, it's basically about focusing on what you want in your life so that you are attracting more of it, right? It's kind of that basic concept of the law of attraction type thing. So it's through the L.E.N.S method and through, you know, creative photography, the way that you can do that is by, you know, thinking about, well, you may already do this, but not intentionally. So maybe creating images that you're, moments that you're grateful for, right? So I have a free gift on my website that's about that, creating a visual gratitude journal based on the 3 L's, which are light, love, and laughter. So the more you can tune in and feel those, you know, those vibes of light, love, and laughter, the better you feel, the more good things come into your life. That's really how it works. Like, we are little antennas with signals, and it's, you know, I mean, I'm just kind of starting to really play with that more, and just get more into, you know, energy and what that means on a daily basis, right? So, but I feel like it's a great application for it, smartphone photography, because you probably have it handy anyway, and you just may not be realizing that it's something you can use as a tool to help you.
Yeah. So the camera on our smartphone can help with regulating our nervous system.
Yeah, if you use it intentionally this way.
And then emotional resilience. How does that work?
So in my program, I mentioned the foundation workshop is about mindfulness. So there's 5 pillars of emotional resilience that I create photo story prompts based on, depending on my audience, you know, the program I'm doing, because I also work with teens, and I work with corporate wellness. I haven't done this yet, but I'm planning to work with corporate wellness initiatives. So basically, in my 6-week program, we focus on a different photo story prompt based on each of the 5 pillars of emotional resilience. So those are mindfulness, self-awareness, self-care, positive relationships, and purpose. So it's like using creative photography as a way to create storytelling images about these different concepts, you know, using inspiration that I give you, and then sharing our images, sharing our stories, talking about these ideas so that we can start to put them into practice in our daily life, because there's always things that are missing, right? Or out of balance for everybody, you know. And so it's the more you can have those 5 pillars of emotional resilience in your life, the happier, you know, more fulfilled you're going to be.
Yeah, that totally makes sense.